Hey, what's up? Once again, I'm back. I bought a couple of pallets. There's 40 boxes on each pallet. Each pallet's $900, $8.99, $900, and you can get anything in these boxes from rugs, video games, food, which sometimes expired, but everything else it's brand new, well worth the money. Okay, this is box number 2 on pallet number 1. All right. Let's get this going. All right, so first thing we have is a boo heifer. So a cow dressed as a mommy. I guess it's a flag or something. Pillowcase. Here we go. Here we have a woman's shirt. Lady's shirt. Size 2XL. We have something for Halloween. Let me see if I can open it. Here it is. I put a spell on you. That's my dog barking. Hey, Zoe. Next item we have is some Halloween stickers. There's 8 sheets. 8 sheets. Alright, let me pause this. Okay. Back. We have some more Halloween decorations. Oh, what happened? I have no idea what this is. I'm not too sure what this is. Purple, whatever it is. Oh, the finger pops. There's 3 items in here. Dinosaur. A tree, I think. And like an ice cream thing. We have, what is this? Oh. 4 hooks. We have the Vampire Diaries birthday party stuff. So you got balloons and everything. Vampire Diaries. Like I said, everything's brand new in these boxes. It's great. Walk with me. The Stop Pulling Head Harness. We have a kite. All about kites. I love flying kites when I was a kid. Oh yeah, if you like anything you see, I have an eBay store. It's going to be on the bottom of the video. Also, you can, if you don't want to go through eBay, you can email me at pawtucket48@yahoo.com, which will also be on the bottom of this video. We have some yarn or something. We have some hair clips. We have some kind of poster. Not too sure what it says. Here we go again. Okay, let me keep going here. Let me stop it for a minute. Sorry about that. Back again. So, trying to do with yarn netting or yarn work. I don't know. Sewing. Dyed chicken water kit. I don't know what this is. I really don't know. I have two of them, looks like. But no idea. It says easy to install, no drip. Auto fill cups, whatever. We have a footrest for your feet, footrest. We got two of them. So put that back in there. Okay, now we have, I don't know what this is. Pillowcases for throw pillows. Okay. We have an extra large dress for a woman. And it's for babies, or little toddlers, I guess. Something that looks like spark plugs. We have a leash and a Rough Rider and Company. Thank you for purchasing our Rough Rider and Company product. We really review. Okay. So it's a dog collar and chain. For a small dog, and it's color black. Okay, we got this open, so, and it's gold Christmas bulbs. I think in the first box I got blue ones, so these are gold. All right, next item. My cozy home. What the hell is this? Oh, okay. That's a, if you want to squish fruit or whatever, that's what that is. A fruit squisher. We have a necklace in here. We have sticky notes. 1, 2, 3 boxes of sticky notes. Sticky notes 3x3 and pop-up sticky note sheet pads. I'm not even gonna bother opening it because I don't want too much hassle. What is this? I think this is another chain or a necklace or something. 2 premium diamond painting things. Okay. This is a lens adapter for a camera. And guys, if you like the video, share it. Even if you don't like it, share it anyways. Hit the like button. Hit all the icons for me, please. This is, I have no idea. What is this? Something to do with Christmas. But you know what? Maybe I shouldn't do this. But I will. Because I don't know what it is. It has nothing to do with Christmas. It's a potato peeler, a can opener, a thing to scoop up the soups, and a spatula. I shouldn't open it, but I did. That was kind of stupid. Okay. Next item. And the last item in this box. What doesn't even say. Oh, okay. It's for the soccer that just ended, all those playoffs. Stickers, you can keep track who's winning, who's losing. That's what that's for. That's what that's for. Okay. Okay. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this box. Like I said, thanks for watching. Like it, share it, and everything. Check out my eBay store. If you want to buy anything, email me. Everything will be on the bottom of the video. Thanks again. See you later.